What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Missy. Crazy. So, hey everybody, it's me. I'm just filming a test of my new Kodak ZI-8 camcorder out here. Just got it for my birthday, as well as this new 8 gig iPod Touch. Very nice. You take a look outside, it's not all that nice today. But, you know, we're gonna be going to Denny's later. Have some dinner. Yeah. It's all kind of dreary outside. That was my cat Missy. It's all over there. Oh, she's gone. Oh, she's a crazy cat. So, gaze around at the porch. The pool and all. You know. It's all pretty cool. Know what I'm saying? I don't even know if you can see me right now, but hope you can all see me here. Oh, there she is again. I'm just gonna... Alrighty, I'll just end it here.